Hi boys and girls, welcome to some egg coloring fun here with Miss Jill today. Alright, Sunbeam is excited. He's been looking at all these pretty colors over here, so let's get him fed. And there you go, Sunbeam. Alright, let's say the pledge to our American flag today. Right hand over your heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, here's our calendar, and we're in our new month of April. Yesterday was the first day of April. After 1 comes 2, so we say it is April 2nd today. And it's Thursday. Ooh, looks like tomorrow we have a birthday in our classroom. Okay, yesterday was Wednesday, today's Thursday, tomorrow is Friday. All right, what kind of weather is it at your house today? Let's sing our song together, boys and girls. Oh, what kind of weather do we have today? Is it sunny, is it rainy, dark or gray? Is it cold or is it hot? Should I wear a hat or not? Oh, what kind of weather do we have today? Oh, it is sunny at my house today. Sunny, and I see the grass moving. So we could also say it's windy. Sunny and windy today. Is that the same weather at your house? Okay, so good inside activity for some windy, cooler spring days is coloring eggs. And I didn't have an egg coloring kit like you would get at the store, and maybe you don't either. So I looked up some ways to color eggs when you don't have an egg coloring kit. Saltfarm.com had some really cool ideas, and there's a lot of different ways you can color your eggs. But the one I liked was with Kool-Aid. Kool-Aid's pretty inexpensive, lots of different colors. So I chose some blue raspberry, and it had very good results. Grape. All right, grape. I went ahead and colored a few. Grape turned out kind of interesting. You think it would be what color? You think it would be purple? But it turned out kind of a grayish color. So you could do some color blending with that. Maybe not put the whole pack of grape Kool-Aid in there, and maybe lighten it up with some lemonade or pink lemonade to make it not gray. And then we had cherry. And then I mixed black cherry with lemonade and still got some black cherry color. So I had some very colorful eggs. Now it says you do not have to add any vinegar to this water. So I just used 2/3 a cup of water, dumped the Kool-Aid packet in and stirred it around. Now as you can see on these eggs, they look a little, like they have a little granular stuff on it. I do have salt in my water. I have a water softener. So if you want to try it like with some plain water, like a bottle of water, and see if you get that grainy effect. But it worked pretty good. The longer you leave them in, the darker the color. So I didn't try orange or pink lemonade, but you can do that at home. Then I saw an idea where you could make dinosaur Easter eggs. And that was really cool because you didn't have to worry about if you cracked the egg or not. You could even use your Humpty Dumpty egg. You just put a bunch of cracks in your eggs, like so. This is what I always tried not to do before when I was coloring Easter eggs. But it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if a couple pieces fall off the shell. Put a lot of cracks in your shell. And if you look on that site, they had really good results. So let's see. Now, I have water, and I did get this water from my well instead of the water softener with salt in. And I'm going to add a little bit of Helps the color absorb better. Alright, then my favorite color is orange. Now this bottle looks orange. This is liquid watercolors. You can use any kind of color that you have in your cabinet. But liquid watercolors is what I had. So I want to make orange. Now this does look orange, but it's actually yellow and red. So I'm going to put just a couple drops. This is very concentrated, just like your food color would be. So I'm going to put a couple drops of red. Red's pretty dominant color, so I'm going to add, ooh, I don't know, who's counting? About 10 drops of yellow. So, do yellow and red make my favorite color, orange? Alright, let's see, stir it up. Ooh, that's a nice bright orange like I like. So I'm going to put that egg down in there. If you have some egg tongs, or you can just use your spoon to lower it in there. Alright, let's let it sit there for a minute. The final egg that I like to color is, I'd like to make a green egg. Alright, so if I don't have green food coloring, how could I get green? Add a little vinegar. Alright, so boys and girls, I'm not going to do this with you, but what two colors could we put in that cup to make green? I want you to have your parents send me your answer, okay, and see if you're correct, and then I'll do that a little bit later and see if that's right. Alright, so let's see how this one's coming along. Not much change yet, but it's only been in there about a minute. So I'm going to leave that in there. This one, I just used some, it's like a purplish blue watercolor, and this is what I got. And I tried to make a dinosaur egg with that too. It's all correct. Alright. Alright, boys and girls, check out that website. Try and make some colored eggs with some different, just use your imagination, and you can paint them, you can draw on them, just make them your own eggs and have fun. Have fun coloring eggs with your family. All right, boys and girls, you have a good day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye.